Hi everyone, I am Karla Dennis, and with all of us having remote work, which seems like it is here to stay, I want to make certain that you understand how to take all of your home office deductions and that you get all of your hidden home office deductions, and make sure that your home office is set up properly come tax time. Before we jump in and get after it, I'm gonna need you to like, comment, and subscribe, as well as share, because you cannot miss out on any of this wealth building information. Let's get after it. It is so important to understand that TCJA has eliminated the home office deduction for employees working at home for employers. In order for you to take the home office deduction, you need to be self-employed, own some type of business, so you can get that deduction onto your income tax return. In order to write off your home office, it has to be utilized exclusively for a home office. It cannot have dual utilization. In addition to that, there are two ways that you can write off the home office. You can take the simplified approach, where you get $5 per square foot up to 300 square feet for a total of $1,500 as a flat write-off, or you can utilize actual expenses, where you take the square footage over the total square footage of the house, get a percentage of usage, and then allocate your expenses based on that percentage of usage. Writing off your home office is not just about your space, it is also about your expenses. And you want to make sure that you get all of your expenses in there. Inclusive of those expenses not only should be your utilities and your internet bill, but what about your security? What about the things that are in your home office, such as your computer, such as your laptop, your phone? All of those things need to be counted as a deduction for your home office. You have to make sure that you keep up with the appropriate documentation. You're going to want to have copies of all your utility bills and any receipts that you're using to allocate toward your home office. In addition, pictures speak 1,000 words. Take pictures of your home office, especially when you have it set up, so that in the event that you're ever audited, you can show the auditor pictures of your home office where they can see it was exclusively set up as an office. In order to increase your home office deductions, you want to make sure that you review your records and create systems for yourself. Do not assume that something is not a write-off. If it helps you in your home office, it is absolutely a write-off. Let's say, for example, if you put in a new air conditioning unit, which is going to help in the home office, you can allocate a portion of that write-off. Just make certain that every single month you aggregate all of your receipts and all of your expenses so that you don't miss out on any of your home office deductions. And when you do that, you will see your home office expense increase between 10 to 15% so that you can keep more of your cash in your pocket. Now that you know that home office requires a certain criteria, it requires you to decide which method you're going to take. It requires you to allocate all the expenses appropriately, and requires you to have the appropriate documentation and to make sure you're doing it consistently on a monthly basis versus the end of the year. You now know what's required to get yourself a great home office deduction. Now that you know better, you absolutely have to do better. I'm gonna need you to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, because friends don't let friends overpay tax.